Hello there, welcome back to the channel, and this video we are going to learn about how to find the maximum and minimum values in an array. Well, using different methods in JavaScript, we will cover the Math.max method and the Math.min method, the spread operator with example and explanation, which will be the perfect for the beginner and for your interview preparation. So let's understand that how we can do this particular task in our JavaScript. Let's start. So let's say that I'm having an array like this, something like this, right? Now, if someone say to me that create after creating this array, find me the maximum value which this array is having, and the minimum value which this array is having. Like the maximum is 87 here, and the minimum is what, 23, right? Yeah. So 23 is the minimum, and 87 is the maximum. You did it manually, but I want to do this task by JavaScript, not manually. For that, what we do? Well, in JavaScript we use a method that is Math.min for the minimum, and Math.max method for the maximum, right? I hope you understood this up to here. Now let's implement it in our code. Well, for this, what we will do, let's remove everything. Let's create an array name. First, create a variable numbers equals to, let's create an array which is 10 comma 5 comma 8 3 comma 20 comma 4, like this. Now I want the maximum. For that, let's create a variable named max equals to math.max. Let's create an array name const numbers equals to array, and this array is having some values like 34, 23, 45, 56, 23, 56, like this. I want the maximum. For that, let's create a variable named const maximum equals to, now apply that method, that is math.max. Put a bracket here, and now we will use the spread operator, that is 3 dot. Put the 3 dot and then the name of the array. Now this particular method got all the values inside of this, and now it will separate out the maximum value, and that maximum value will get inside this maximum variable. If you want to see, you just need to write console.log and maximum, like this, right? So what do you think, which is the maximum value? I think 56, right? 56 is the maximum. There are 256, and yes, 56 is the maximum. So let's go to the website, sorry, and you can see I'm getting the 56 here, right? So this is how it works. Now let's learn about the minimum value also. For that, what we need to do, simply write const minimum, the name of the variable, right? And then equals to math.min. Put a bracket and then dot dot dot, 3 dots for the spread operator, and then we will write what, numbers, this numbers, like this, right? So now what it is doing, it is separating out the minimum value from all the values present inside this numbers array, which is all these numbers. And what is the max minimum value? Well, minimum value, I think 23, this 23, right? Now this 23 is now get stored inside this minimum variable. Now if I want to take it out, simply you write console.log, put a bracket here and the minimum, right? Let's do it in a clear way, like maximum, and similarly here also the minimum. This should be inside of the, like this, put a comma here and done. Now if you go to the console, you can see the maximum is 56 and the minimum is 23. and you separated out your maximum and minimum values from your array in JavaScript. And this is how we do the task, right? So I hope you understood the concept. Now your task is to subscribe the channel. So please complete your task, right? And we will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.